Good morning, Room 14. Since we've been learning a lot about outer space, I thought it would be fun for us to do a rocket. It could look something like this or something like this. So I will tell you what we're going to use for our project. For our project, we will be using an empty toilet paper roll, some ribbons, some shiny wrapper, some scissors, and some color paper. Oh, and we'll also be needing some glue. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my shiny wrapper, and you see on the inside is white and on the outside is like the shiny part. So I'm just gonna roll the paper on my toilet paper roll. So I'm just gonna put some glue. If you don't have a shiny paper wrapper, you can paint it or you can use another thing to cover your paper roll. So I'm just gonna put the glue and then make sure I glue the paper on the toilet paper roll. And then I'm just going to roll it until it's glued and totally covered. So at the end, you're also going to add a little bit of glue. So the other part of the paper, the other end, sticks to the toilet paper roll. Okay, once it's glued, you're going to have a piece of the paper that's going to be coming outside of the toilet paper roll on both sides. One side should be shorter, and that side we're just going to put it inside the empty space. And then the other side, the longer side, you see here, you see? We're not gonna cut it. What we're going to do is we're going to take it like this and then wrap it up with a ribbon. After we do it, we're gonna grab our color paper. I only have post-its, so I'm gonna use post-its. And I chose to use some green and some yellow. So I'm just gonna do two small circles and I will cut them out. Okay, once I have my two circles, I'm just going to paste them on my rocket. So I'm just going to add some glue and paste them like on a line, on a straight line, one on top of the other. And it will look something like this. The next thing that I'm going to do is I will take my color paper and I will cut some triangles so we can make the wings of our rocket. So I have a square post-it. I'm just going to cut a triangle shape. I'm going to make two of them and I'm going to glue them to my rocket. I will do the same with the other paper and I will glue them on the other side of the rocket. And it will look something like this. The next thing that I will do is I will take some ribbons. I'm using ribbons because that's the material that I have in my house. But you can use any paper or other thing that you think it will work for our bottom part of our rocket. So I will cut a few pieces of ribbon. They don't have to be the same size. And I'm just going to cut a few of them. Once I have them cut, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some glue on the inside, on the bottom part of my rocket, and I will glue my ribbon pieces. So I'm going to add some glue and I will paste one next to the other. So I'm going to glue them like this and I'm going to put the other one and that until I complete the whole circle. Okay, so this is how it will look. Remember, you can choose any color that you'd like because this is your project. I use these colors because this is the material that I have in my house. Okay, so if you don't like the top part of our rocket, you can also choose a different top. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do a circle with paper. You can use color paper or whatever you want. I used white paper. And you're gonna cut a slice of pizza, like a triangle. And also you can choose to paint your top. I don't have paint today, but I will show you just a quick, like you can do some patterns. I'm doing some waves here. I will put some dots maybe. Kind of looks like an Easter egg. You can choose any pattern, color that you want, or any material. Remember, it's your project. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna add glue here in the corner Only on one side, not on the two sides, because what you're gonna do is you're gonna put them together. So I'm just waiting for the glue to come down. This is if you want a different top for your rocket. Remember, you can also choose any type of glue. So you're gonna add glue. See how I'm adding glue? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your paper and look closely. You're gonna put it together. Make sure you press so it sticks. Okay, so you're gonna take your rocket. If you don't want that, you can put that in, and you can put the top so it looks kind of different. Okay, so if you did your rocket, it might look something like this, with the top like in a triangle shape, and then the other one with the ribbon on top. It's your choice, it's your project, and you can choose any color or material that you'd like.